To install a tankless water heater, it is crucial to understand some technical points. For this water heater, the entire cover can be removed by loosening just one screw. The company has strategically placed this screw under the knob, concealed in this area. I'll go ahead and loosen it. Now, what we need to do is simply lift the cover upwards and slightly pull it forward. This way the cover will come off. To hold the cover in place, there is a hook installed here, and another hook designed in such a way that it keeps the cover securely in position. This is why the cover stays firmly in place here. Now we need to mount it on the wall, so we'll have to find the center of these two holes. To do this, we'll use a measuring tape to determine the center. Place the tape on the wall side of one hole and measure to the outer side of the other hole. The measurement we're getting here is 10 centimeters and 17.5 centimeters. This means if we take this distance into account, we'll get the accurate center. Now this is the location where we need to install the tankless water heater. Here, the rest of the system is already pre-installed, including the gas line pipe, the hot water pipe, and the cold water pipe. Now for the installation, I've selected the location and will make markings here to ensure I have fixed points. Look, I've made the markings, and now I'll take the measurements from the top. One mark was taken from this side and another from the other side. After checking the position on this side, the final point comes to 47.5 centimeters. So this measurement will also be marked on the wall above. Since the hole aligns at 47.5 centimeters, I've made a mark here at the top. The next measurement will be taken from this point, and here we'll also determine the center. This is 4.5 centimeters. However, before this, we need to draw a line, so I'll first level it. I've aligned it with the previous point. Now, keeping this mark aligned, I'll measure 4.5 centimeters and draw the line. If you remember, the first center point was 17.5 centimeters. So from this point, I'll also mark 17.5 centimeters. So now we have both points ready. The bolt has broken, so we'll need to make the markings again. For the water heater and its pipelines, I've brought special stainless steel pipes. These are easily available in the market, are of good quality, and can be bent easily. This makes them convenient to work with and simplifies the installation process. Now we've supplied water to the system and also turned on the gas. Let's open all the valves. First is the gas valve, then the cold water valve, and finally the one from where we'll receive hot water. Next, we'll open the water to check if the ignition system is working. Let's turn on the tap. As soon as the tap is opened, we should hear a sound, but there is no sound here. This is because when the ignition system works, the sparking system activates first. However, the sparking system didn't activate this time. I suspect the water pressure is too low, which might be causing this issue. For this water heater, maintaining adequate water pressure is essential, so we'll resolve the water pressure issue first, and then we will use it. At this point, we'll apply sealant to ensure the area remains waterproof. I'll use a high-temperature sealant here, which has the advantage of not burning even if the temperature rises significantly. This sealant can withstand temperatures up to 550 Fahrenheit, making it highly reliable for this application. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.